Min-ho and Kim Go Eun's fans send the King, Eternal Monarch actress coffee truck. See her reaction. Kim Go Eun revealed she received a coffee truck on the sets of her upcoming K-drama Yumi's Cells. The truck was sent from a fan group supporting her and Lee Min-ho. Kim Go Eun received a sweet surprise from fans of her and Her the King, Eternal Monarch co-star Lee Min-ho, on the sets of her upcoming K-drama Yumi's Cells. The actor revealed she got a coffee truck sent to her from international fan groups Argenia Indonesia and LMA Gepans, Lee Min-ho and Kim Go Eun fans. The Goblin star took to her Instagram stories and shared pictures of the truck. In the first, Kim Go Eun gave a good look at the coffee truck with the caption, "Wow." In another, she gave a close view of the banner featuring the fan club's names. She shared the picture with a monkey emoji. Lee Min-ho and Kim Go Eun starred in The King, Eternal Monarch last year. Although the show ended in June 2020, fans continue to obsess over the lead pair's chemistry. Some fans even hoped that the on-screen couple would start dating eventually. Meanwhile, Kim Go Eun's friend Jang Hee-ryung showered the actor with love and support by sending a coffee truck as well. It was sent with a banner featuring Jang Hee-ryung and Kim Go Eun's outing from November. Kim Go Eun also received support from her fans in the US. Yumi's Cells is an adaptation of a popular webtoon. Kim Go Eun has been roped in to play the titular role of Yumi, a person struggling to express her feelings. The show also stars Itaewon class actor Ahn Bo-yeon, who essays the role of a game developer named Gu Wang. As reported by Soonhee, Kim Go Eun had said that Yumi's Cells will relate to many viewers. "I think the reason that the love story of the ordinary woman Yumi was able to make so many people laugh and cry over such a long period of time was because of how relatable it was. I'm looking forward to her future journey," she said. Besides Yumi's Cells, Kim Go Eun will also appear in JTBC's upcoming variety show The Sea I Desire. Alongside Goblin co-star Lee Dong-wook, Lee Ji-ah, Chinese Onu, TKEM's Lee Soo-hyun, and Yoon Jong-shin.
Got enough of every melody. They all sound the same.
바텐더 선생님이셔. 이동욱 오빠시고 저기 뒤님 이재현 언니셔. 그리고 이쪽 밑으로 내려가면은 바다 지켜주는 김고은 언니가 있어. 반가워. 바다 깊이 내려가서 쓰레기를 막 주워줘. 바다 들어가 봤니? 그래 막내 수연이야. 반가워.
안녕. 반가워.